Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Python plugin, paste into form fields, I'm going to show you a new Python plugin that allows you to copy text from any source and automatically paste it into your next blank form field. The paste field option is a new option available to you through the Python plugin system. To get the plugin, you're going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store. In the plugin store, you want to find the plugin called Paste Field. And we see that this is going to add a block paste field command to my toolbar menu. And this will also be an option that I can add as a keystroke command. And it says that assuming I have marked and copied a piece of text from another document, this tool will paste those results into the next available form field, including filling in variable contents. So that means if you have a list of names and places that are going to go into your title or certificate pages, or perhaps for your exhibit numbers and descriptions, you can easily fill that information in now with fewer steps. So with paste field selected, I'm going to press download. Once it's done downloading, I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Manage Python Plugins, and I'm going to find paste field in the list, and I'm going to go ahead and enable it. And here you see my list of information that I'm going to fill into my blanks, and this is what I'm going to copy from. But like the information said, you can copy from any other source, including a web browser, a PDF, a notepad document, or any other source of text you might have. I'm going to reopen Eclipse. And now if I go to Block, there's an option called Paste Field. I'm going to open up a blank job that I've created for this purpose. And in here, I have a number of blank fields that all have variables in use. So when I fill in the first one, the second one should automatically be able to fill in. So what I'm going to do is go to my user settings, to the Edit tab, and I'm going to press Keyboard because I want to make a keyboard option to use this instead of having to click through the toolbars. I'll press Add. I'm going to hit the P key until I get to Paste Next Field. I'll select the Paste Next Field command, and I'm going to select a keystroke for this option. I'm going to use Control-Shift-V instead of just Control-V, which is paste. I'll press OK, close and OK, and now I can go to my document here where I have information to copy from. I can copy the name of the county, and here I can hit Control-Shift-V, and that information is automatically put into my next blank field. So we're going to appear before Judge Van Dyke. It's going to be on the 31st. It's going to be in July. And it's going to happen in the year 2023. The name of the witness is Ashley Van Dyke. And we'll have this taking place on a Wednesday. So now that all of the first set of blanks that contain the variable have been filled in, I can go to Tools, Job Variables, and I see that all of my different job variables appear just like they should in my list. And now if I go to fill in the rest of my blanks, they fill in automatically with all the information I've already provided. And so rather than going through and having to type all of this information, especially if it's a lot of lengthy information, like exhibit descriptions or difficult to spell names, you can simply copy it from a known and verified source and use the block paste field command to fill it into your next open blank field. And if a variable is in place in that field, then that will automatically be added to your Tools Job Variables table for use in your later blanks or any of the other features that use job variables. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.